If you want to play with 3 or 4 friends in Madden NFL 26, what you can do is you can simply go to Quick Play in the main menu and you can go for the Superstar KO. Over here with this mode, we can switch to PAF, which is Play Against Friend, and then we can adjust the size to 2v2. So this will allow you to play 2v2, so 2 on your side, you and your friend, against 2 other friends. And you and 2 other friends have to also set it up in a similar way. So make sure that they set up the same opponent type, the same mode. And what you can also do is, of course, invite your friends. Over here in Squad Mates, you can find this plus button so you can invite your friends. You can also select yourself in order to choose your role. You can play as any role, offense captain or defense captain. And once you are ready, what you need to do is simply go ahead and press play. And you have to kind of do this together. I'm gonna set it to 1v1 for now, just so I can show you what's next. So if you proceed and press play, you will have to set this matchmaking password. And once you do set the password, you will have to share the password with your other friends. And they will have to enter the same password as you did over here. And keep in mind that the password is case sensitive. So if you use upper cases and so on, then these letters matter. So keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.